Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2024 para sa mga single at sa in a relationship. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates, watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see. Aries. What's coming to your love life? Unahin natin mga in a relationship. Okay, so if you are in a relationship, let's see what's coming to you. Four of Wands. Wow, there is stability in your life. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may plano na kayong magpakasal, may plano na kayong magsama together, no? Yung iba may anak na kayo. I also see some celebrations. So, pwedeng meron kayong isa-celebrate together related sa family, no? Pwedeng anniversary nyo, anniversary ng parents nyo, or ng kaibigan nyo. But it's going to be festive for you with your romantic partner. Parang may renewal of vows yung iba. Oh, sobrang in love naman ng mga Aries. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, maaring pumasok kayo sa isang very serious relationship. Yung iba na engaged. People are celebrating your relationship together. Kay ganda. Oh, oh my God, Aries, yung iba sa inyo ikakasal talaga. Ikakasal ngayong May or na kayo ay in-engage, may nag-propose at pinag-uusapan nyo na yung inyong kasalan. Yung inyong pinagpaplanuhan nyo na kung paano, anong gagawin nyo sa inyong kasal. Ano bang gagawin? Hindi, I mean yung mga preparation, ganyan. What else? Oy, Three of Cups. Grabe, Aries. Celebratory ito para sa inyo. A lot of celebrations. You may also be reuniting with friends, family. Maaring reunion din to, no? Pwedeng magkakasama-sama kayong magkakaklase, magkakaibigan. Dahil sa isang major event. Yung iba naman, kung mag-asawa na kayo, maaring attend kayo sa kasal ng kaibigan nyo, classmate nyo, or someone who's very close sa inyo. Encourage. You are also encouraging each other na maging better version of yourself. You're very supportive, no? Oo. Supportive kayo sa isa't isa, lalo na sa pangarap ng bawat isa. Very expressive din kayo. Oh my God. Leo, Gemini energy. So, when it comes to your communication, you're so open to each other. When it comes to your communication skills, lagi kayo nag-uusap. Laging wait lang, may nalaglag. So, ayan, lagi kayo nag-uusap. Maaring kayo ay working together. So, talagang parang power couple yung energy ninyo. So, you are also focused on your family. Yung iba talaga, ikakasal. Or may plans. You are giving each other a chance. Oh, okay. So, pwede kasing ito ay medyo nagkaroon kayo ng challenges in the past. Tapos, binigyan nyo ulit ng chance ang isa't isa to be together again because you feel like you are each other's soulmate. So, yes, this is a confirmation na kayo ay soulmate o nag-transform. Ibig sabihin may naging pagbabago. So, it's either nagbago yung person mo or nagbago ka. 'Di ba? So, it's all, yung change na yon is for the better. No? So, ngayon, mas maganda yung dynamics ng inyong relationship. Wow. Ganda naman. So, I think ngayon you are focusing on your stability, yung pagpapatatag pa ng relationship ninyo with your person, and supporting each other's interest, no? So, kung interesado sa business yung person mo, susuportahan mo, or kung ikaw, susuportahan ka rin niya kung ano yung interest mo. So, there's, parang ano to yung mga fairy tale stories. Oo, and I also see your family is very much supportive of this relationship. Mm-mm. Supportado kayo ng inyong mga karelasyon. At yung ano ang tawag dyan, mga in-laws ninyo. Mm-mm. So, that's for in a relationship na Aries. So, tingnan naman natin yung mga single. Mga single. Tingnan natin. Single na Aries. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin nito kung single ka, kahit meron kang kakonect, kung wala naman kayong commitment, single ka pa rin, 'di ba? Ganon. Let's see, single na Aries. What's up? Queen of Wands. This is your energy. Talagang I feel like ina-enjoy mo yung pagiging single mo. Lalo na kung very busy ka sa trabaho. Kumbaga nasa rurok ka na ng tagumpay mo ngayon. You are very creative. You are focusing on your dreams. Pwedeng mahilig ka rin mag-travel, no? Punta kung saan-saan. You have the Four of Cups. I think medyo mataas yung standards mo pagdating sa relationship. Or nagkakataon lang yung nakikilala mo is below your standards. Kaya parang para sa'yo, ay, okay na sana, kaya lang, ganon. Kaya lang, ganito siya, or parang something's off. Hindi ka pa napi-please. Three of Pentacles. You also want someone na yung alam mong makakatuwang mo sa buhay. I feel like you're not anymore looking for a relationship na short term, na parang basta na lang. So, you are looking for a serious relationship na kung saan masasabi mo na partner mo talaga. Kasi kung hindi, wag na lang. Kumbaga, o nga naman, sasayangin lang naman niya yung oras at panahon mo, 'di ba? Mahirap na may nagpapakyut-pakyut lang, tapos pag mga responsibilities na, natatakot na. Although, gano'n naman na ngayon, no? Yung iba takot talaga sa mga responsibilities. You have the Ace of Swords. Someone is thinking about you. Pwedeng magre-reach out itong person na to, kakausapin ka, pwedeng malayo to sa'yo. Naaalala ka niya. Can be a person from the past na meron kayong naging history. Oo. May naging history kayo ng person na to. At gusto niyang mangumusta. Baka tong taong to busy sa kanyang work or sa kanyang schooling. This person can be a Taurus or a Cancer. Talagang sila, focus on the money. Yes. And even you, I think you are focused on taking care of yourself. Practicing self-love, self-care. Which is, yan naman talagang ating advocacy. To practice self-love, self-care. And also, energy ng Scorpio, no? May transformation. You want a passionate relationship, no? Ayaw mo yung tipong lang. Ang kaya lang gawin ay mag-message sa'yo. Sa messenger. Oo. You have twin flame energy. Okay. You have patience. So, I think you are patient and patiently waiting for the right person to come. Like your soulmate. Although, may mga nagpa-flirt dyan sa paligid-ligid, no? Hindi naman mawawala yan eh. But, you want someone, no? Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo sa relationship. And you will not take anything less than what you deserve. Okay? You will not settle for anything less. Gusto mo, yung malalim, deeper connection with the person. Hindi lang hindi lang on the surface na ah, magpaparinig or nagsasabi ng nararamdaman niya. It's like you want to feel yung katotohanan, yung authenticity ng feelings niya towards you. Kasi kung wala, wag na lang. But there's definitely someone who is interested in you, someone who gusto kang kausapin, mag-reach out sa'yo. Anytime soon, you will receive a message from this person. Can be a Taurus or a Cancer or a Scorpio. Um, gusto niya mag-hangout kayo. So, kung itong person na to gusto mo, edi I think you will give some time for this person na titinan mo kung magugustuhan mo ba siya, pang long term ba siya, and kung hindi, you will decide. Okay? So, that is your reading. Aries, thank you so much. Bye!